Hi, my beautiful Libras. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I wish you a very, very happy new year. May this new year bring lots of love, prosperity, health, wealth, abundance, and peace to you guys. So, Libras, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please note that this is a collective reading, so it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Please do check out the other placements in your birth chart to get a better understanding. So Libras, while I was shuffling for you guys, I felt an energy of impatience. See the way the cards are jumping out. Someone is really being impatient. Impatient in the sense, not in a wrong way, but it's just coming out of lot of overexcitement. I would say you guys are. I feel you guys are really overexcited or too much excited about something. So you are just switching from one thought to another. I feel some of you guys are starting something new, some venture, some business, or some new project, new job, and you guys are really too excited or filled with too many ideas. It's like you have too many things to do for this, and that's why you're hopping from one thought to another. Okay, just one thought to another. The energy is like you try to talk even before the other person is finishing or completing his or her sentence. That kind of energy. You're like too excited. I feel you guys are little distracted also. There are too many things that are going or running through your mind just out of excitement, guys. Yeah, that's what I felt. So let's see, guys, what we have for you for this beautiful start of this brand new year. Yeah. The energy at the bottom of the deck is Ace of Swords. Wow, I'm glad to see that. Yeah, coming as an unexpected news to you guys. The new beginnings, new ideas, new euphoria moment. Six of Wands. Wow, lovely, guys, lovely. Yeah, there is this Eight of Pentacles also. Like you guys are really focused on whatever you are doing. Okay, so the energy now. I would like to start with these two cards together. The energy, the present energy is that of Hierophant. Okay, and that of Seven of Wands. Now when I look at these two together, when I speak of these two together, I feel that some of you guys are having some issues or some battles, or some conflict with someone related to values, okay, or the belief system. Okay, this could be in your personal space, maybe it in at your relationship level. Okay, but there is some conflict or some difference of opinion that is happening at someone's core values. Someone is not in agreement with someone's core values. Like if it's a relationship of a husband and wife, or a boyfriend and a girlfriend. So I feel that currently there is some war or difference of opinion that is going at foundational level of your relationship, guys. That is what I see currently. Yeah, the energy in your recent past is that of Page of Pentacles. Now this definitely looks like or is relating to that excitement that I was talking about. Now you got an idea out of the blue. Okay, you got some message, that euphoria kind of moment, out of the blue. Maybe a business idea, maybe something, maybe if it's your existing business, a new line of business that you wanted to start, or a new business altogether, but something just popped into your head all of a sudden, and that has got you kick started, or that has got you excited and go just I would say just bounce with a lot of excitement and energy and ideas. Basically, you want to do this, you want to do that. Shall I do this? Shall I do that? That kind of energy is what I see over here. A little immaturish energy, like that of a child. I'm not saying it in a wrong way, but yeah, too much of excitement is what I'm saying. And some of you guys have received some unexpected communication which has made you really very much excited. The energy at the crowning level is that of Knight of Cups. Now I want to clarify this Knight of Cups. Why is it at that crowning level? Okay, the Knight of Cups is clarified by the Devil card. Okay, I'll come to this later. I forgot to go to the energy in the immediate future. Now that this is the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, now I feel this is you guys, Librans. Now, like I said, this is you who has got this idea out of the blue, and this is you who is working towards it. Okay, I strongly feel, I have this strong energy that this is related to someone's business. Okay, you are working towards taking your business to another level, or some job opportunity. Okay, you are working, you are putting some extra bit, you are coming with some new fresh ideas, something new, you're bringing something new on the table. Okay, and you're working very hard towards it. Okay, this Queen of Pentacles, you see, she is so sure of, whatever she is doing. Okay, please don't mind the gender, the energies, what is important over here. So you know exactly what is going to bring value, what is going to bring business to you. Okay, or what is going to bring you the required profits or money. That kind of energy is what I'm sensing over here. And it's a very good transition, guys, from page to queen, that two of the same suit, that is pentacles. So I'm sure you're going to progress well in your business. Okay, now this Knight of Cups is clarified by Devil card. Now I feel that here, guys, again earth energy, Librans, I feel that there is strong earth in your chart. Okay, either in your chart or you're dealing with a fellow earth sign. Okay, now I feel that this is you who is really obsessed about something. Okay, yeah, there is a lot of obsessive thinking about something is what I see over here. At your at sorry, at your subconscious level this is happening. You're continuously thinking about something, guys, continuously, like something, there is no other way that I can put it. You are completely obsessed by something is what I see over here, because the energy crowning is that of Two of Pentacles. Now here again, this is you trying to juggle between different things. Okay, try to multitask. Like I said, I feel that you are so excited that you are putting all your thoughts and all your energy and all your focus into whatever this is, whatever this project is, whatever this idea is. Okay, you are that charged about it. You are trying to balance, you are trying to balance your act. Okay, trying to strike a balance, perfect balance, trying to arrive to certain decisions, trying to make some decisions in your business. Okay, that kind of energy I'm seeing here. But basically you're trying to juggle, the multitasking, too many thoughts, that is also causing kind of confusion in your guys, in your mind. Okay, you're not able to arrive at a decision. Okay, and also you're trying really hard to strike the balance. Okay, because I think you have taken too much of load, too much in your plate. I would really strongly advise delegate some tasks if you can. That's what I feel. The advice is that of Three of Wands. So now this Three of Wands is asking you to be a little patient, guys. I really am sensing someone who is really very impatient right now. Just take it easy. Everything is going to happen at the divine timing. Okay, please don't take that extra burden. Please don't get overwhelmed. Please don't try to bog yourself down with too many thoughts and too much of this thing, load. So please wait, please let the things fall or take natural direction and timing. Okay, this is what I can see, because this is not you waiting for something, but this is an advice. So this is definitely the universe asking you to wait and be a little patient. In your external influences, there is this Two of Swords. Yeah, someone is indecisive about something. Someone is definitely trying to decide something. Maybe it's the career path that you're choosing. Okay, maybe it's that crucial decision of your business or your career that you are deciding upon, something which is making or something which is splitting your energies basically. Okay, you are not able to arrive at the decision and you're contemplating your options, you're weighing your options, which is a good thing, guys. But I would say that only when you calm yourself down will you be able to arrive at certain decision. I feel that there might be a new opportunity, career opportunity coming your way, and you are a little unsure whether or not you are supposed to go for it. That kind of decision making I'm talking about over here, I can say. In your hopes and fears, there's this Five of Wands. Definitely some kind of conflict. Now, I really don't think this is any external conflict. This is the conflict that is happening in your mind. Okay, this is your self-inflicted conflict. Now, Librans, coincidentally, I had very similar energy in one of the other readings that I had done. I don't remember which it was. Aquarius probably, or Aries, I really don't remember, but I had similar energy right from the shuffling time in that reading. Okay, and I don't know why, probably you guys are having that energy in your chart, either Aquarius or Aries, I do not remember, but very similar energy. So they too had this self-inflicted conflict in their energy. Okay, thinking of too much of thinking of too many things, and that is what is causing too much of clutter in your mind, is what I see. This definitely is not an external energy. This is your own doing, my Librans. The energy at the outcome place is that of Queen of Swords. Wow. Now this Queen of Swords and this Queen of Pentacles, both these queens, I feel this is your energy, guys. You are wait, I feel that, yeah, there could be two females involved, okay, who are at some ego battle with each other, okay, having some conflicts with each other. That could be the case. Okay, definitely one of them is very much mature, okay, balanced, but the other one is someone who doesn't mince his or her words. Okay, someone who is very much harsh. Okay, I need not be a bad person, but someone who might end up hurting with his or her words. That kind of energy is what I see in one group of people. In another group of people, these two energies could be yours. Okay, you are you're working so focused, or you're so focused on your business or your work or your career, that you are not letting anyone come in that way, in your way. Okay, you are just cutting all the BS from your life. Okay, all the things that are not in agreement or not in sync with your goals, you're just cutting them away, which is a good thing. Okay, and you're just moving ahead in a focused manner. That's a very good and beautiful energy, guys. At least I like it personally. It's always good to stand for yourself. Of course, you don't have to hurt people in the process, ensure that. But since there is Queen of Pentacles also, I see that this might be, if this is one person, it's a perfect balance, of maturity, as well as someone who is really strong and knows what he or she is saying. That kind of energies I see, and which is really good. Now let's talk about your overall energy. It's that of Ace of Swords and Six of Wands. Now this definitely is a very good news. All your hard work, all this mental clutter that you have caused for yourself, it's going to come to a very successful end. Okay, it is going to succeed. Okay, it's going to bring you that new beginnings, new prosperity. A very good beginning, guys. Very, very good beginning. You're going to feel a winner out of this. Okay, you're going to have that feeling, wow, all that hard work, all that pain was worth it. That kind of energy. And I am feeling so nice to hold these cards. Okay, definitely something new, something which is going to match your energy and passion and inclination is on your way, guys, and you're going to feel victorious. Lovely energy. Overall, the energy is really nice and full of excitement. It's just that you need to curb that excitement a little, so that you don't end up taking any hasty and wrong decisions. That is the only worry I see over here. So let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, This card flipped right away. Have faith. This card had popped out while shuffling also, guys. So maybe this is what the universe is trying to tell you. Your prayers are manifesting. Remain positive and follow your guidance. Wow. Have faith. Like I said, I spoke about the divine timing, right? So that's what I'm trying to tell, and that's what the universe is trying to tell you, guys. You should have faith in the divine. You should have faith in the divine timing, okay? Please don't be impatient. Everything happens at the right time, okay? So just be a little patient, be a little or rather I would say calm yourself down. Everything is going to fall in place at the right time. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, I'm taking this card. Expect powerful change. Wow, wow. Such an empowering energy. Trust me, guys, I'm feeling a very empowering energy holding this card. Expect powerful change. Now, this Ace of Swords and this card are going so much in sync with each other. Definitely some really very powerful beginnings for you guys. And I'm so excited to know what it is that is happening in your life. What it is that you're manifesting. Wow. Lovely. Lovely. So Librans, I leave it at that. I hope you like this reading. If this resonates with you, please like the video, drop comments and let me know about your experiences. Share your experiences, okay? If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so yeah, see you next month. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye. Take care.